Here, I've explained the support and resistance levels on. It provided us with a precise answer. A few months back, we made a video teaching you how to use ChatGPT for trading. You really enjoyed that video. But the issue with ChatGPT was that it lacked real-time data, which limited its use in controlling. However, we now have an AI tool that can be considered the ultimate solution of trading because it has real-time access to the entire internet. So imagine the possibilities of using this tool in trading, and I'll demonstrate how it works. So the AI tool we're discussing is called Google's Gemini, and you can access it at gemini.com/gem. Once you sign up and arrive here, you'll see an interface that resembles a chat with GPT. Now, if I ask about a specific stock directly, it might start giving me a long explanation. So let's use the same trick we used in the last video. So for this, we go straight to the TradingView website. To find TradingView, simply type TradingView into your search engine and the website will appear. From there, you can analyze any stock by typing its name. So instead of writing a stock, I write Nifty here and search. As soon as I click on the launch chart, then the Nifty chart has opened up in front of us.